Hello everyone, this is Sonali from ponrajpark. So in today's video, we are going to learn about Google Meet. We are going to learn that how you can create these Google Meet meetings and how you can share this with your teammates, okay, your colleagues. So let's get started. So if you're using any laptop or if you're using any PCs, so if you're using any systems, so you can just go to your browser and you can simply go and search for Google Meet, and there you will get this access to the Google Meet. Okay, but if you're using the mobile, then in mobile you will require the Meet application. So using that Meet application, you can create this meeting and you can also even share using the application. Okay, so here I'll simply type Meet and you will get this link over here. Simply click on that, so you will get this Google Meet interface. Okay, also you can see here we have this Google apps option over here. So here also we have this Meet application, so if you click on that, so same interface will open. Okay, so you can access it either this way or either that way. So here we have two options over here, that is creating this meeting, and here enter a code or a link. So if you want to join, then you can simply enter the link or code over here and you can join that. So first of all, we'll see how you can create this meeting. So if you'll click on new meeting, you will get this three options. So first we have here is a create a meeting for later. So if you'll click on this, so such pop-up will open. In that you will get this meet link. So copy this link and you can simply share this link over WhatsApp or Facebook, LinkedIn, or anywhere you want to share. So you can share that with your colleagues. Okay, and also make sure that you store this link. Otherwise, each and every time when you go for create a meeting for later, it will generate new link. So next time when you want to join that, you want to use the link which you have shared with your team members. Okay, so you can simply copy that and you can enter that link over here and you can simply press the join button. So here you will get this interface and you can simply go for join now for joining this meet. Okay, and also here it have mentioned you can enter a code as well. So code is what? So if you'll see this link at the last, we have this code over here. After meet.google.com, we have this code. You can simply copy that code, you can enter and you can join. Okay, so this is how you can simply join your Google Meets meetings. Okay, so this was the first option. Then next we have here is start an instant meeting. So like suppose you have to start this meeting immediately, so you can click over here and it will simply log in into the Google Meet meeting. Okay, so here you will get this pop-up. So once you have joined and you want to send invitation to other peoples to join, you can click on this add button. So from here you can select their mail IDs all and you can simply click on send mail. Okay, otherwise you can also enter their mail ID over here and you can simply send them the invitation. Okay, so this is how you can add the people. Also you will get here this copy link option, so you can copy and you can just share this link with your teammates or your colleagues for joining into this meeting. Okay, so this was the another way. And then the last option we have here is schedule a Google Calendar. Okay, so Google Calendar is basically just like we have this Google Meet, we have the another application from Google, that is Google Calendar. So if you click on this, it will open this Google Calendar interface. So when you can use this is like suppose after 2 days, or suppose in next week, or suppose in next month you have any meetings, and now what you want to do is you want to schedule this meeting and you want to send invitation to all those people. Okay, so you can simply come here, just give the title to this meeting. Okay, like I'm giving here this title, discussion on meet, and then here you can select the date, like when this meeting is going to be done. So like suppose on 1 September you have this meeting, so you can simply select the date. You can choose here the time, like when this meeting is going to be happen. So like suppose I'll choose here the time like suppose 10 a.m. you have this meeting. Okay, then when it is going to end, you can simply choose that from here. So here Google provides this options like this meeting will long for 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 2 hours, so whatever the timing is, you can simply choose that from here. Okay, suppose I'll click this, then we have here the option that is when this meeting is going to end, on which date. So like suppose on the same day it is going to end, you can simply choose that. If it is going more than that, you can also mention that date. Okay, then here we have this join with Google Meet link, so this link is auto generated. Then we have one more option over here, that is notification. So, like suppose now this meeting is going to be held on September 1 at 10 a.m. So, you want before the meeting, so before 15 minutes of this meeting, everyone should get notified, or before 1 hour of this meeting, everyone should get notified that in next 1 hour you are going to have the meeting. So, in this notification, what you can do is you can simply set that. Suppose 1 hour before you want, simply set this notification. Okay, like suppose I want 15 minutes before this should notify to the participants, so you can choose that from here like this. And then in add description, if you want to add any kind of agenda, okay, like this, so you can simply add in this meeting description as well. Okay, and at the right hand side we have this option like guest. So if you want to add the guest, whatever participants are going to be, you can simply enter their mail ID like this. Okay, so you can simply enter the mail ID, you can press enter to add. Okay, as well if there are some more people, you can click and add. So this is how you're going to add the guest over here. Like suppose from here I will add this people, so you can add multiple persons on this. Okay, and once you are done with this, simply click on save. Okay, then it will give you this pop-up that you want to go ahead. So like here we have first button, that is back to editing. So once you saved, you remember that you want to edit this meeting, some things are remaining which you want to add, you can simply click on back to editing, and you can just do whatever editing you want. Again click on save, and then we have this two more option, that is don't send and send. Don't send means this as a mail invitation. Okay, if you don't want to send to anyone, you can click on this button, but as a mail invitation you want to send this to all the participants, click on send. So it will simply send this invitation to the participants. Okay, also you can view this in this Google Calendar. Now if I'll show you the participant, so they'll get this kind of mail. So here you can see, so this is the invitation. Okay, now suppose today is 1 September and you want to join this meeting. Okay, you can simply click over this meeting, and here you will get join with Google Meet option. Click on that, and now you can simply join into this meeting. Okay, so you will be the host, who have created the meeting is the host. Okay, now if this user will join, so here is the meet link, that person can simply join. Okay, so that all the other participants will get the button over here, that is asked to join. So if he does ask to join, so the host who created this meeting will get this pop-up. So if you don't want to let this person enter into this meeting, you can deny the entry. Okay, so here that person will get such kind of option that you can't join this call. Okay, then again if the person wants to join, he can refresh the page and he can ask for join. Okay, so if you want to allow the person to join, you can click on admit. So once you admitted, that particular person has now joined into the meeting. Okay, so in this, if you are the host, you get some more options, so we'll see what are those. So here we have show everyone option. Okay, so all the participants, all the people who have joined into this meeting, you can see the list of people over here. Okay, and we got here three awesome options over here, from which first is all muted. So suppose you want to mute everyone in this meeting, you can click on this and you can mute everyone. Only host can do this. Then add people option is there. So like suppose you want to invite any person, you can simply click or you can enter the mail ID and simply send them the mail, so they'll get this invitation for joining. Then we have the host control options. So here you will get the two host control option, that is share their screen. So if you want to allow everyone to share their screen, you can just keep this on as it is. If you don't want that others should have the screen sharing access other than you, then you can simply make this off. Okay, then we have the same option for send chat messages. So here you can see we have this chat section. So if you want that no one should have access to that, so you can also turn this off from here. Okay, so these are the host controls. Then if you want to search any people in the whole meeting, you can search. Okay, in call we have all the option, like if you want to mute anyone. Okay, so if anyone is muted, you want to unmute that person, you can do this from here. And this is the option pin to screen and all. Now here you can see pin to screen, so this option is there. So if you want to pin this particular user into the main screen, so you can do that. Next, here one more option we have, that is remove from meeting. So if you want to remove the person from the meeting, you can remove. Okay, and one more thing we got here is the host control option at the top bottom right corner. So this is the host access, which you can check that from here as well. Those are the same options. One more thing which I want to show you here is, like if you have the mail ID, okay, and using mail ID, using this Gmail also, we have these two options over here in Gmail, that is new meeting and joining a meeting. So you, this is one of the shortcut available in Gmail, using which you can also schedule the meeting. Okay, you can also join the meeting. Okay, so I think that this video will be very helpful to you, and if you like this video, then please like, share, subscribe and comment down your views on this. Thank you.